Here with a render video. This is where we left our last video. We had the trend-based Fibonacci up here. This was the price target, $10.61, and you can see that candle today. Boy, oh boy, it's really starting to approach that area. Is that a daily candle? Yes, it is. Wow. Okay, you had your obviously you can count the 5 waves out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, then we can get a 5th wave target with our Fibonacci by putting it on here, and that is saying a 1618. All right, according to the fib, this thing is tapped out. All right, it could go up to the 1061, but usually a 1618 on top of your wave 4, on top of wave 3 down to your bottom of 4 usually gives you your target. It hit it right on the head here, so we'll see. Either it's tapped out here at 978, or it could overextend up to 1061 here. All right, let's take a look here and dig in a little bit deeper here and see what's going on. I gave away a free trade over here on Cody. I want to show you guys. I ended up putting this has been in our Discord all day, well, since about an hour ago now. It's a big move, huge move. Look at this thing. All right, we put this out in the Discord. This is going to be, look at this. If you would have put 10x leverage on this, you would have 4.5 extra money, almost 5 extra money if you would have been in our Discord. And this candle is a, look at this. This is a 1 hour candle coming up here. It's already up. If you would have got in the trade here where we got in, you would already be up 120%. You would have already doubled your money. All right, I put out a Cody video as quick as I could. This is what we do over in our group every day, guys. If you're interested, go sign up for a level 3 membership. It gets you 9 hours of videos to teach you how to trade, all right, how to do all this stuff, and it gets you a link to our Discord where we are just smashing trades every day. Can you imagine if you would have had $1,000 in this, $1,000? Yeah, and this isn't financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. We just read charts and look for breakouts. Can you imagine turning that 1,000 into $5,500? And this trade will probably be over in a couple hours. You know, so that's the ones we look for. You know, we had this wedge. We kept watching it all day. Posted it in Discord an hour ago, and here we go. I threw it out as a freebie on a Cody video that I put out just a little while ago. So come join us for 15 bucks, man. It's worth it. You would have made your money back, 50 times over on that move. All right, we do this every day, but there's tons of people over there right now. So that's all I got to say about it. If you're interested, please come join us. We would love to have you. Okay, you can see Rndr has held this trend line, this 4th wave pullback and this 5th wave up. What I would be expecting, what normally comes after a 5th wave, and you can see how it hit that 1618 exactly. And I teach you all this stuff, man. Every single thing I show you on the videos, I teach you. You get all of that plus a link to the Discord. So it's well worth it. Well worth it, okay? Now, after this 5th wave, I would expect an ABC correction, all right? After 5 Elliott waves up, then you get an ABC. It's hard to say where this A wave will end up coming down to. Then you have your B, and more than likely it's probably going to end up back on this trend line. I'll bet it does. You know, a lot of times they do, and then we'll continue on our way up after that. All right, if we look at the RSIs, the 8 hour is still heading up. The 12 hour actually just turned up. That's crazy. Your daily just turned up, and your weekly is right at the top, and your monthly's at the top. Okay, you got your 8 hour. All right, now your 4 is at the top, and your 1 is correcting. All right, that's kind of crazy. Usually by the end of a 5th wave, you see these things really overexhausted and ready to ready to have that ABC correction. Well, let me check something here again real quick. Let's go from here and get a look here. Yeah, I mean, you know, unless it's going to give that one last push up to $10.31. You know, it could mess around in here for a little bit and then give that last push up, but I'm not expecting any more than that. You know, 1031 at the max. You know, I quite honestly, it might have already tapped out. The trend-based extension, I mean the regular Fibonacci, $9.82. What does this say? $9.76 it made it to. So it could push up a few more cents. Could hit that 1031, but it's just about out of gas here, right? Once we get a minor correction here, a minor ABC, then I would expect it to start pushing back up. And what would be the targets after that? Well, let's take a look here. You know, after this, you'd be looking at $12.30, then $14.72, and then $16.23. That's crazy, considering Rndr way back. You know, you look down here, you could have got this thing down here for 28 cents. Isn't that crazy? In the bear market, way down here, this wick down here at 28 cents, you know, and then 40 cents right down here at the you know, without the wick, right down here at the bottom. That's why I love crypto so much. I mean, this thing has already, just where it's at now, 20x'd 20x'd your money already. If you would have threw $1,000 into Rndr back here in, when was this? December, the beginning of December. You know, even January 1st, that's when it really started moving. Just 2 months ago, you would have turned that 1,000 into 20,000. $20,000. That's, I love crypto. And where could this move be heading overall? Well, right here you can see a wave 1, 2. We're working on a wave 3 right now. All right, if we put a trend-based fib on here and look, that is going to give us a bigger target here. $12.05. 12.05. All right, and what was the regular Fibonacci on here? 12.05. Let's go back to the weekly here. 12.05. Yeah, well, hey, looks like we're heading up towards the $12 area after this. So that'll be the next price targets. And then after we get there, we will reassess. But we're going to mark off $12 right now. 12.05, right around $12. We're going to mark off right here. And that way when we resume the next video, we will see where we're at. But right here, let's just double check this trend-based fib on here. Yeah, 1694 altogether. So this wave 3 might run up. Oh, excuse me. This wave 3 might end up finishing up around 12. Retracement, and then up to $16, you know. So, well, either way, we got a lot bigger moves coming out of Rndr. This thing has just started. So the bull run price for this thing, if you're looking for any kind of, well, price action only goes back to there. You know, you can only put a fib on it for so far. You know, it just right from there would be up to $32.70. $32.70, and from the bottom that would end up being, you know, at say you got it at 45 cents, let's say 70x. Love crypto, man, absolutely love it. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll be back to you guys soon. Have a great day, everybody.